Good morning, children. So, children, today we are going to begin the first chapter of class 6th, and this chapter is food. Where does it come from? Food. When I say the word food, what comes to your mind? Just close your eyes, and I'm saying, doing this activity, I'm just saying food. What comes to your mind? Somebody might be thinking about pizza, burgers. Somebody might be thinking about chicken, fish, mutton. Kuch people might be thinking about sambar, idli, dosa. Very few chances that you people will be thinking about the same thing, isn't it? Few might be thinking about cakes and pastries, isn't it? So children, food, it's a huge world, isn't it? There are so many channels on food these days, cooking. People, during the corona time, lockdown time, mothers have done a lot of cooking. There are so many cooking channels and all, isn't it? And we all are united by food. If I'm right, yes, I'm right. We all are united by food, है ना? Like we are Indians, we love to eat Chinese food, Italian food, French food. आजकल Thai का बड़ा, and even Japanese food is very much famous. Then even when we are from UP, suppose I am from UP, I love to eat Bengali sweets. I love to eat Tamil Nadu's dosa, uttapam, isn't it? So every place has their own special food. Now the question is that this word itself is huge and it has united the world together. In many foreign countries, Indian curries are a huge hit. In many foreign countries and cities, Indian food, dhokla, patra, these things are very much famous, right? So, what is this food? We love to eat food. There cannot be anybody in the world who will say that I don't love eating. Everyone have their favorite foods, right? Have you ever thought, where does this food come from? क्या आपने कभी सोचा इस बारे में? You are in 6th. You might have, some of you might be going to the village. There might be having houses in the village, and you might be having agriculture as a profession in your family. Your grandparents might be doing it, some uncle might be doing it, you know. So when you visit your village, you see the fields. Yes, the food is basically grown in the fields. We'll go in detail later on, and this is what this chapter is all about, that where does this food comes from. Okay, so let us check the variety. There is a small activity. I want you all to do it quickly. Name the, आप अपने friend का नाम लिख सकते हैं, अपने family member का नाम रख सकते हैं, because you are at home right now. So you can write the name of your friend or family members, mom, dad, brother, sister, and what did they eat in a day. You can ask your neighbors, but we have to follow the social distancing because the second wave of corona is really dangerous, children. You have to follow the guidelines. I am alone in this room recording this video, so I am not wearing the mask, but I'll show it to you. It is very much here. The moment I'll leave this room, I'll wear my mask, right? So you can ask your friends on phone, you can chat on WhatsApp. Do this. Food items eaten in a day. Trust me, दाल चावल सेम होगा तो सब्जी डिफरेंट होगी, है ना? Every house has, even दाल को तड़का देने का स्टाइल would be different. Maybe मेरे घर में तुअर दाल बनी है, आपके घर में चने की दाल बनी है, हो सकता है. Maybe somebody has eaten chole bhature, maybe somebody from south has eaten idli sambar, dosa sambar, somebody from Bengal might have eaten fish, So you can write this and you will come to know that our country has variety of food. Every state has some famous food. Since a year we are not going out, but before that you might all be in the habit that if you have a neighbor from some other state, if you have a friend from some other state, or if you are going out to some other place, you might be eating food you would love to eat. Now we love to eat the food of different states. So why is it possible? It is only possible because our country is huge. Our country is full of diversity, vibhinnata, and we also have a geographical diversity. Means in north we have mountains, a different kind of climate. When you go to the west part of your country, there is very dry and arid weather climate because the desert area is there, Rajasthan and Gujarat, part of Gujarat. Then if you go to the eastern part of the country, it rains a lot, terrains are there. तो जहाँ पर भी पानी ज़्यादा है, धान की खेती, paddy is grown a lot. Then if you are in the central part of the country, a different kind of climate is there. When you go down south to coastal belts are there, there is a different climate. So because of the different climate, the different kind of food, the different kind of crops are grown there. And because our different crops are grown there, and depending upon the climate, people have such food which suits them into that climate. This is another thing that because of the globalization, आज आपकी मम्मा भी घर में पास्ता एंड पिज्जा बना रही है ना, which is a staple food from Italy. I used the word staple. स्टेपल का मतलब होता है कि किसी भी जगह का जो खास खाना जो कि वहाँ की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस की वजह से ग्रो किया जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज द स्टेपल फूड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. लाइक फॉर यूपी वी कैन से रोटी सब्जी दाल, रोटी है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वीट बहुत ग्रो किया जाता है. व्हेन वी गो टूवर्ड्स असम, बंगाल, फिश एंड राइस, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पैडी की खेती बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. व्हेन वी गो टू गुजरात एंड राजस्थान, वी गो फॉर खमन ढोकला एंड ऑल दैट, क्योंकि वहाँ पर उस तरह के फूड ज़्यादा ग्रो किए जाते हैं. व्हेन वी गो टू साउथ, क्योंकि वहाँ पर क्लाइमेट थोड़ा सा हॉट भी है और वहाँ पे भी धान की खेती बहुत होती है ना, उड़द दाल वगैरह बहुत होती है, तो वहाँ पर सांभर इडली खाते हैं, बट स्पाइसी फूड थोड़ा ज़्यादा खाते हैं. सो बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स देम टू अडैप्ट एंड सर्वाइव इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. सो दैट इज़ द स्टेपल फूड, राइट. नाउ एवरी फूड इज मेड अप ऑफ वन और मोर सब्सटेंसेस. What do we call them? Let me scroll it a little. Yeah, we use the word here ingredients. Class 6th, you are in a bigger class now, and with the bigger spellings, more studies. So you have to start working on your spellings and spoken English also. Not only spoken, the written part also you have to really work hard on that. And here we have the word ingredients. Means if I have to prepare a bowl of boiled rice, what ingredients I require? Rice and water. If I have to make pulao, then I need rice, water, garam masala, clove, onion, garlic, chili. These all are the ingredients. So the materials which together make food item are known as ingredients. There is a table like for roti and chapati. What all are the ingredients? Atta, flour, है ना, and water. Then if I am making dal, there is pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee and spices. When you fry the dal, then you need onion, garlic, curry leaves, so they all become the ingredients. Okay. Now let's move further. Yes, the next is the food material and their sources. See children, there are two main sources. One source is mostly 96-97% is or say 95% is plant. We get matar, all the pulses from plants. We get cereals, dhan, rice and wheat from crop. We get all the vegetables from the plants. We get all the fruits from the plants. We get all the spices from the plants. So the major part of our food platter comes from the plants. Now there is one more thing. Yes, the plant resources, animal sources. The people who are non-vegetarians, the people who eat the flesh, they are known as non-vegetarians. So there is animal source. What do we get from animals? We get milk. We don't cut the buffalo to get milk, but we get milk from the animals. We get eggs. Then we eat mutton, chicken. We also eat fish. That is what we do in India. But again, because of the globalization, especially if you talk about China and Nagaland in the other northeastern part of the country, people there eat snails, frogs, different types of insects, so जो भी वहाँ पर मिलता है भाई नॉर्थ ईस्ट में नागालैंड एंड ऑल देयर it's all hilly area and there is no river, so the farming is not a main profession and that is why they are mostly dependent on these insects and all the non-vegetarian food. Or up to because of the globalization, the food can be transported from one place to another. So that are all the animal sources, but the common mostly eaten by the people are chicken, mutton, fish, egg. These are the four things that we eat. So there is a table 1.3 in your book, ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Let's see. So sources of food grains, this is a paddy field and this is the wheat grains which are getting transported. If I say food item idli, it is made from rice, urad dal, salt and water. Rice, sources plant, urad dal, sources plant. Salt we get from sea water, we evaporate to get it, and water we get from the tap or nearby fresh water body. Chicken we get animal, spices again from plants. Oil और घी जो होता है हम mostly plant से भी लेते हैं. Very interesting thing. Oil और घी, अगर देशी घी है तो आपको पता है वो बटर से बनता है, मलाई से बनता है, तो क्या सोर्स हुआ? एनिमल. बट अगर हम कॉटन सीड ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हैं या हम ग्राउंडनट ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सनफ्लावर ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मस्टर्ड ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सो वी आर गेटिंग दीज ऑयल फ्रॉम दी plant sources. We are crushing the seeds and take out the oil. Next food item is kheer and the ingredients are milk, rice, sugar. Milk we get animals, rice we get from plants and sugar also we get from the animals. Plants. I'm so sorry, sugar cane, plants, right? And so now I am sure it is clear to you that what do you mean by food item, what do you mean by ingredient and what do you mean by the sources. Now I am going to give you good homework. Okay. So here I am going to just conclude it that what all we get from animals, what all we get from plants. And this is all for today. Homework, I'll just tell you, but you should be clear that what all are the animal sources, what all are the plant sources. Alright, this is all for today, children. Whatever I have told you, taught you today, you please reread it, try to understand it, underline the difficult words, very important, and learn their spellings. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.